Senado at pinatawag natin itong mahigit 10 mga witnesses pa para magbigay ng testimonya dito sa Senado galing pa sa ibang lugar, at ngayon nandito na lahat dahil doon sa akusasyon ni Matubato, tapos lalayasan lang tayo dito na parang insulto sa atin yan, Mr. Chairman, na hindi man lang na pinatawag sa rito, hindi pa tayo tapos dito, tapos lalayasan lang tayo na hindi natin alam. I'm not pointing any senator here. Hindi na ako pero parang insulto sa atin ang ginawa ni Matubato. Paano pa natin i-continue itong investigasyon na ito? Paano matatapos ang investigasyon na ito para hindi ito biro na akusasyon ni Matubato? Nakataya ang pangalan ng Pangulo, nakataya ang pangalan ng ating bansa. Alam nyo, kung isipin po natin, Mr. Chairman, tayo lang ang pinagtatawanan at pinag-uusapan, hindi lamang sa buong Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo. Yung mga foreign media, kung ano-anong sinulat nila nung si Matubato nag-testify dito, nagbigay ng statement na pabago-bago, at ito pinatawag natin yung mga sinangkot niya at in-involve niya sa testimony niya. Ngayon pinatawag natin siya, nandito siya, umalis naman siya. Anong isipin natin yan? O anong gagawin natin? Anong conclusion natin? Anong magagawa nating dahilan sa taong bayan para dito sa nangyayari na ito? Paano natin may pagpatuloy yung investigasyon, Mr. Chairman?
Alright. Even assuming for the sake of argument and giving the gentle lady from Bicol the benefit of the doubt, even believing that she was not part of this compromise or this charade, na wala siyang kinalaman dyan, it is incontrovertible that she was in possession of a note that she herself made that was so devastating, it could have been said, while Matubato was lying here, that there was a case filed against him na pinailan siya ng NBI ng kidnapping with ransom. Abay, hindi biro yun, hindi yung...
I detest the claim of material concealment. Hindi nyo naman po siguro i-expect sa akin na habang nagte-testify si Mr. Matubato, ay lahat na lang na meron siyang sasabihin o hindi sasabihin ay ika-clarify ko po based on my notes. Hindi naman po, unang-una, hindi po ako sigurado kung nasabi niya yun o hindi na merong case for kidnapping nung siya ay nagte-testify. Pangalawa, wala naman sigurong pagkakataon in the course of the questioning of Mr. Matubato at the time, whether on the 15th or on the 22nd, na may ilalabas ko, dahil sabi ko nga, napansin ko nga yun ngayon. Because I have extensive notes, so I could not be expected na habang nagte-testify si Mr. Matubato nung 15 tsaka nung 22, ay makukorek ko lahat o maisusupply ko po yung impormasyon based on my notes. So please, I strongly protest the claim that there has been a material concealment. Kasi ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, yung insidente. Meron nung kinikwento si Mr. Matubato. I was not expected to be
whatever it
stating, manifesting all the information, all the notes that I have when Mr. Matubato was testifying.
Okay, if you are trying to stipulate na tayo pang may kasalanan dito, kami pang may kasalanan dito, naniwala kami na gano'n na nga nangyayari.
Perhaps he wasn't asked. He was never asked about that.
Well,
Mr. Chairman,
you know, this is not
We didn't ask because we did not know, because you knew.
But I only noticed it kani-kanina lang po when I was reviewing my notes.
Excuse me.
Because I have extensive notes.
Mr. Senator De Lima, I already said, even presuming for the sake of argument and giving you the benefit of the doubt, na hindi ka kasama dito sa nangyaring ito. The very fact that you had information while this was going on, it could not come across your mind na you had information na salungat doon sa sinasabi na Matabato dito. Habang nagsasalita si Matabato,
Ano po bang salungat?
may I please continue? I have given you so much leverage here. I have allowed you an extended amount of time. I have even allowed Matabato, and I didn't have to do that. I even allowed Matabato, and I did not postpone anything here. When I took over this committee, we will continue. We got all your witnesses here. And we called all the witnesses here, all the testimony, all the motions. We allowed. So please give me some leverage. Give me some latitude here. The point that I want to make here, salungat yung sinasabi doon sa nalalaman mo na nasa note mo na si Matabato pala ay may kaso ng kidnapping for ransom in the case of Sally Macdum. Salungat yun sa sinasabi niya na ang pumatay kay Macdum, tinulungan niya ay si SPO4 at SPO4 na
Las Cañas.
na Cañas, at saka yung iba, at siya rin ay kasama. Eh, anong conclusion na masasabi ko dyan? Lalabas na meron kang note doon na very, very significant that could change the tide of opinion, of judgment, of conclusion. Kaya hindi mo maalis na ako
Mr. Chair.
ay masagrin. Talagang ako, ang feeling ko betrayed because up to a while ago, I said, kalmado lang, we'll give you all the things that you have. And how can you say, how can anybody say, we already conducted the hearing last time all the way up to 8:30 in the evening. I was prepared till hell freezes over, natapusin. You heard me apologize to the police earlier that you have been here. You heard me apologize to all the witnesses that we've been calling here. So Matabato has no call to leave the Senate.
Mr. Chairman,
I will just finish. If he left the Senate, he should have asked permission. You all heard me say the other day, we are going to hold you there, and if you come along, we would like. Now, the time has come. There is contrary evidence, contrary to what you said previously, and we just discovered it. And Senator De Lima has also admitted the statement of the NBI that there is a case that has been filed. So, tatawagin natin siya ngayon. Yan ang oras, yan ang timely. Iharap mo siya dito, para sa ganon, masalungat siya. Umalis siya eh. Umalis siya eh. Ano
Mr.
conclusion namin?
Mr. Chairman, may
Yes,
make
go ahead, Senator
a
Trillanes.
manifestation. It
Go
was
ahead.
not the call of Mr. Matabato. It was my call since I was providing protective custody to Mr. Matabato. And based on the assessment of my security officers, it was prudent to make him leave instead of traveling late at night. So I made that judgment call. And remember, Mr. Chairman, I was the one who suggested that they do this confrontation at the start of the hearing. So there was no intention na iwasan yung ganitong confrontation. So it was my call. And anyway, I'm the one providing protective custody to the witness. So that's it. Ngayon kung may tatanong tayo sa kanya, tomorrow morning, I believe it won't hurt. He will be here as scheduled. So what's the fuss, Mr. Chairman?
The least you could have done, Senator Trillanes, if you are going to ask me, is to manifest here, had you been here all the time and you're not here, is to tell and manifest to this committee that, sir, Mr. Chairman, if you do not need us for tonight, I'd like permission to have my witness leave. For the first time, you're acknowledging that you are protecting the witness.
Yes.
I did not know that.
Oh, no. Mr. Chairman, I've been telling
That's
you,
why I was
I've been
asking.
telling you the past several, since the time you assumed, as chairman, I told you up front that in the meantime, I'm the one providing protective custody. So when you ask who will bring the witness here, I told you up front that since I'm the one protecting the witness, it's my responsibility.
You will
to
recall,
bring
sir,
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
that at the beginning of the first hearing, when Mr. Matabato came up, I asked both of you who is presenting this witness. And none of you said, I am. I'm aware of the fact that you accompanied him later on at night, when he left at night. You are also aware of the fact that when he came here, unlike the first hearing under Senator De Lima, he was not protected legally. He had no counsel. We went over backward to provide him with counsel.
He was
So-
assisted po. You had a counsel, CHR counsel.
Mr. Chairman, I was just informed that Mr. Matobato told this committee during the first hearing that a case was filed against him as a result of the Matobato abduction. So we can review the transcript, Mr. Chairman.
Iyan po ang sinasabi ko kanina. I don't remember kung meron pong sinabi tungkol dyan. I'm so sorry, Mr. Chair, but I really detest the claim of material concealment. Ano ho ba yung sinasabing salungat sa sinabi niya? Wala naman po sigurong sinabi si Matobato na walang kasong final sa kanya.
Mr.
So
Chairman.
ano ho ba yung salungat na
Mr. Chairman, I have the
Are you trying to
transcript.
tell me that hindi sa lungat yung sinabi niya?
Mr. Chairman, I already have the transcript.
Let me answer first,
transcript.
Senator De Lima. I know you have to look for that.
Meron pala.
He came down here and accused everybody. And kunyari siya ang hero na he's testifying against all the others that went with him to kill Bakdum. Now, it turns out that you have a note that you concealed to the committee.
Mr. Chairman, precisely it was not concealed. If you would allow me to manifest, on page 166 of the September 15, 2016 hearing, I quote the chairman, Senator De Lima, okay, yung pagpatay kay Sally Macdum, pinaninindigin nyo ba iyon na mayroon kayong pinatay na tao na pangalan Sally Macdum? Mr. Matobato, opo ma'am, kasi pinailan ako ng kaso ma'am ng kidnapping kang Sally Macdum, hindi ko sila tinuro, parang inako ko rin. Pinailan ako sa NBI.
So what is that?
So after all the rants and accusations, I believe Senator De Lima deserves an apology, Mr. Chairman.
What apology are you talking about?
I do not
There is no need an
apologize.
apology because you had the information. You had the information from the very beginning.
The committee, Mr. Chairman.
From 2002. 2002. Would you please don't melt down, please? You're melting down.
No, sir. No, sir.
Because the charge was 2002, si Macdum pinatay. Ngayon lumabas 2000. We had to go chasing all these phantom ghosts. We had to ask people here. We're not wasting the time of the people here, you know. Pagunda rin tayo lahat eh.
Mr. Chair, one issue at a time. Hindi ho ba yung pag-aakusa niyo sa akin na merong material
Mr.
concealment
Chairman,
Alright.
has to do
Mr.
with the
Chairman, Mr.
filing of the case? Kaya po sinasabi ko po kanina, alamin muna natin kung nasabi ba yon o tinanong kay Mr. Matobato tungkol dyan sa pag-file. Kasi hindi rin po ako sigurado. In the meantime, before checking the TSN, you're accusing me or you have accused me
This committee was
of
made to believe.
material concealment. Walang concealment dahil nabanggit naman po ni Mr. Matobato. Kaya pala nandun yun sa notes ko. Kasi nabanggit naman. Nabanggit nung interview ko sa kanya, nabanggit pala during testimony. So where is the material concealment on the part of Senator De Lima? It pains me to be accused of material concealment. There's no material concealment because
I am
it
not
was
going to go back on
mentioned. It was mentioned. So there's nothing
There's nothing what?
to be, there's nothing to disclose to the body after the witness had disclosed it.
Mr. Chair, can I shed light on that, please?
Yes, go ahead.
So, Mr. Chair, the Senator Trillanes is correct in sense that Mr. Matobato said that finailan ng NBI. But hindi po yun yung concealment eh. pinailan